everyone, Jose's Outback here with another video, and today I will just be showing you guys how to, or me and my dad will be showing you guys how to kind of like take out too much transmission oil out of your vehicle. So if your vehicle doesn't want to start, this might be one reason why you might have too much transmission oil. We're about to show y'all how to remove some of that. This is my first car video, so I mean, like, I hope y'all enjoy. Hit that subscribe button, and let's get right into that video. Okay, so where's the line? We're using the small line right here. We're using the small one.
Give me that.
First of all, y'all can get an old air hose, cut it off at the end tips, and put it where? Oh, okay.
Where?
I just okay. Why do we have two? I'm not the mechanic. He is right there.
No, I'm not either.
But you're the one who's working on the truck, so you're the one who actually kind of knows what you're doing, so just so if this doesn't work, this is not going up on, so yeah. We accidentally put too much on, so we're putting the hoses back in. That's what we're doing. We're putting the hoses back in there so that way we can pump it out whenever we crank the truck. Oh, we placed it right next to the radiator. We have our car battery, and then that did not really work.
Which one is coming up?
It was. Okay, it actually kind of worked. It actually worked. Surprisingly, it actually worked. And pretty much all we did was put this and right into the valve that goes into the transmission. What was that? Oh, it was Dad.
Okay, which one is this one?
Which one?
Bottom.
Which one was it?
The one I'm moving it.
That is the bottom. I'm using the camera to my advantage right now.
Let's see. This way. Okay. So we don't need this one then. We only need the one.
Alright, so you put it in the bottom one.
Yes.
And which valve is that exactly?
That's a cooler.
The cooler.
Transmission cooler.
Transmission cooler valve.
The transmission cooler line. Take it off and hook the hose on that and crank it. See what you want now.
Which one actually starts filling up
Yeah.
All right, so
Yeah.
actually kind of simple actually now that I see what we're doing. So pretty much here, let me just give y'all a brief description of how this works. So pretty much whenever he put it in to the cooler for the transmission, he put, because that's where the transmission fluid goes for the cooling of the transmission, so it goes through there. That's why he put the I can't speak today, the hose, and we're putting it down into the cup so that way we can refill the cups because we put way too much in it. So this is the line, right?
What's that? Crank it.
Yes, sir. Look at that. It's working. Just let me know and I'll turn it off.
Alright, turn it off.
Turn it off?
Yeah.
At least it worked. That's good. Just to let y'all guys know one more time before I end the video. We put the hose that we were using in the coolant for the transmission, where the transmission oil goes from the actual place that you put it in to the transmission to cool it. So we put it in right there, and then we just put the hose down here so that way we can get rid of the transmission oil we did not need. Okay, I hope this actually taught y'all something. Credits to my dad right here. Say hi, Dad.
Hi.
So yeah, hope y'all I got taught something new. So yeah, so I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.